Wait. Don't panic if you just deleted your photos. They're probably not gone yet. Your iPhone actually keeps them for a while, but most people don't know where to find them. Let me quickly show you how to get them back before they disappear forever. First, open your iPhone Photos app. Then tap on Collections. Then scroll down. Here, selected Recently Deleted. Tap View Album. Here you can see all your recently deleted photos. Just tap on the photo you want to recover, then press Recover. And that's it. Your photo is back. Just make sure to recover it before 30 days, or it'll be deleted permanently. Follow for more simple iPhone tip.